Laser Cap has helped thousands of people reverse hair loss. Equipped with 272 medical-grade laser diodes, this revolutionary regrowth technology is clinically proven to revitalize hair in just 30 minutes every other day. Most customers report noticeable results in as little as 3 months. With our 100% satisfaction guarantee, there's nothing to lose. Are you struggling with hair loss and looking for a convenient way to grow your hair back thicker and fuller than ever before? You're not alone. The popular FDA-cleared Kier Laser Cap has helped thousands of people just like you reverse hair loss to look and feel better than ever. Equipped with 272 medical-grade laser diodes, this revolutionary laser hair regrowth technology is clinically proven to revitalize your hair in just 30 minutes every other day with a comfortable and discreet baseball cap design. Most customers report noticeable hair growth results in as little as 3 months. With our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you have nothing to lose, except that bald spot. So what are you waiting for? Join thousands of happy Kier customers.
Healthy your hair effortlessly while you watch TV, take a walk, or read a book. This laser cap is a simple, hands-free way to get your beautiful hair back in just 30 minutes every other day. FDA cleared for men and women, 93% success rate in clinical studies, 7 month money back growth guarantee * doctor recommended. Looking for a way to regrow your hair? It is very nice hair cap and your hair will be grown. Join this journey and you are invited to click the link below video. Thank you for your time for visiting Fahmy Beauty Channel. Bless you and see you.